Hello everyone, this is Destro, and this is just a quick video I threw together while I'm working on some other projects. Today we're going to be making a little bit of texture paste. This is Papa Destro's old-fashioned homemade recipe. So, you're going to need a few things: white glue, sand, and baking soda, and also, of course, some brown paint. Get those all kind of added into the cup, and there isn't really like a strict recipe for this or anything. It's just kind of until it looks good. I do also add a little bit of water to the end, the mixture, to help it mix together a little bit better. But yeah, mostly this is just sand and baking soda and glue and paint. The paint's important. Gotta make sure the texture paste is actually colored. If you go over the top of it with paint, then, you know, the paint could chip off and you'd have white baking soda texture paste and sand underneath. But adding the paint just, you know, helps color it, and then you don't need to paint it later. Give that a good mix and see if it looks good. I didn't quite like the way it was looking. I thought it needed a little bit more texture in there, so I added some more sand and baking soda just to round it out. Yeah, there we go. Sand and baking soda. Another quick little stir and it is ready to be put on some models. I'm using this to base basically all of my Skaven. These are the guys that are going to be the subject of the next video I put up probably. But get a toothpick and a little bit of texture paste and just spread that out all over the base of the miniature. And it'll end up looking a little bit like wet mud when it's done. This is a cheap alternative to buying some texture paste, or buying, heaven forbid, texture paint. And once it's dried, you can see that the liquid sort of settles down a little bit, and you can make out the extra texture from those rocks and baking soda and things that are in there. I usually do a wash over the top of this once it's done. I use a bit of black and brown wash combo and add some static grass. You can see that that does darken it down a little bit. It is slightly different from the base brown, but that's it. Yeah, just a quick one today. I hope to see you next time.